Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is I'm cracking the knuckles. I'm cracking the knuckles. मैं उंगलियां चटखा रहा हूँ. Second, don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. अपने पाँव मत घसीटो. 3. It's very difficult to pace with time. It's very difficult to pace with time. वक्त के साथ चलना बहुत मुश्किल है. 4. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? आप क्या खाना पसंद करेंगे? 5. Hand me the towel please. Hand me the towel please. मुझे वो तौलिया पकड़ाना ज़रा. 6. I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling hot. मुझे गर्मी लग रही है. 7. Nothing of the sort. Nothing of the sort. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. 8. I liked you at first sight. I liked you at first sight. मैंने तुम्हें पहली नज़र में पसंद किया. 9. I should go now. I should go now. अब मुझे चलना चाहिए. The last one is 10. Raise your hand which are enjoying my lessons. Raise your hand which are enjoying my lessons. अपने हाथ उठाएं जो मेरे असबाग से लुत्फ़ अंदोज़ हो रहे हैं. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.